Hi everyone, it's Sildi from Fine & Country. We are delighted to present this magnificent, grade 2 listed period former rectory situated in a tranquil location in a charming East Midland village. Welcome to the Old Rectory in Hoffen. The Old Rectory is a substantial period home set over 3 floors, has been recently renovated and extended by the current owners. The property offers a bright and inviting entrance hall, 3 principal reception rooms, a recently created cinema room, a snug and a wonderful open-plan kitchen, dining, family room. But most importantly, it has a beautiful grand hall with double-height ceilings and an impressive staircase leading to the first floor. Please come and take a look. The first floor enjoys a light galleried landing, 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a principal suite, which also benefits from a dressing room. The second floor accommodates further 7 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The Old Rectory is approached through a long gravel drive which leads to a triple garage. The setting is absolutely magnificent. The landscape garden comprises of large lawn areas, mature trees, a large pond and various seating areas, so you can enjoy the sun all day long. property also benefits from an outdoor heated swimming pool, which is situated outside of this detached barn, which offers perfect entertaining space, but it has the potential to turn it into an annex subject to planning. Hotham is a small village lying approximately 8 miles from Grantham. Neighbouring villages have local amenities, including primary schools and public houses. Grantham is a vibrant market town with a range of amenities, including shops, leisure facilities, and a train station with direct rail link to London. Grantham also has excellent schools, including a highly regarded King's Grammar School and Kesteven and Grantham Girls' School. Other popular cities and towns are also easily accessible. Lincoln is approximately 19 miles away, while Stamford and Nottingham are both 28 miles from the property. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you would like to find out more or book your viewing, please call us on the following number.